Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've had this beautiful Jaguar 2 litre diesel R Sport XE arrive into stock. It's in fantastic condition, gleaming metallic black, lovely upgraded 5-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. It's got the black pack all around the windows. Some gleaming paintwork. Rear park distance control, twin exhausts, full R design, R Sport body styling kit. As you can see, absolutely gleaming. Rear spoiler, boot area's in lovely condition. Got the full leather interior with the white stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors. There's no wear on the seat belt or anything. It's done 77,632, low mileage. Starts up and sounds absolutely beautiful. Got cruise control, multifunction steering, R Sport leather steering wheel, park distance control, satellite navigation, media pack, 3-stage heated seats, aircon climate control, 6-speed gearbox, different driving modes, race, ice, snow, dynamic, eco, normal. It's got 2 keys, just been serviced and MOT'd. DAB radio, and we've got Bluetooth connectivity. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.